IoT could have helped prevent the loss of contact with the Titan ocean gate. IoT technology could have helped prevent the loss of contact with the Titan submersible. Here are some ways that IoT technology could have helped. Real-time monitoring. IoT devices could have been used to monitor the submersible's condition in real time. This would have allowed the crew to identify and address any problems before they became serious. For example, IoT devices could have been used to track the submersible's depth, pressure, and temperature. If any of these readings had become too high or too low, the crew would have been alerted and could have taken action to prevent a problem. Automatic alerts. IoT devices could have been programmed to send automatic alerts if they detected any problems. This would have allowed the crew to be notified of a problem even if they were not monitoring the submersible's condition at the time. For example, an IoT device could have been programmed to send an alert if the submersible's depth exceeded a certain limit. This would have alerted the crew to a potential problem even if they were not actively monitoring the submersible's depth. Remote control. IoT devices could have been used to remotely control the submersible. This would have allowed the crew to take action to prevent a problem from becoming serious. For example, if the submersible's pressure began to increase, the crew could have remotely activated the submersible's emergency hatch. This would have allowed the crew to escape the submersible before it was crushed by the pressure. However, it is important to note that IoT technology is not a foolproof solution. There are still some challenges that need to be addressed before IoT technology can be used to fully prevent accidents in underwater exploration. These challenges include the harsh underwater environment. The underwater environment is harsh and can damage IoT devices. For example, the high pressure at the bottom of the ocean can crush IoT devices. The limited availability of power. Underwater exploration vehicles have limited power, which can limit the number of IoT devices that can be used. The difficulty of transmitting data back to the surface. It can be difficult to transmit data back to the surface from underwater exploration vehicles. This can make it difficult to monitor the condition of the vehicle and send alerts if problems are detected. Despite these challenges, IoT technology has the potential to significantly improve safety in underwater exploration. As IoT technology continues to develop, it is likely that these challenges will be addressed and that IoT technology will become an essential tool for underwater exploration. In the case of the Titan submersible, IoT technology could have helped to prevent the loss of contact by monitoring the submersible's condition in real time and sending alerts if any problems were detected, remotely controlling the submersible to prevent a problem from becoming serious, transmitting data back to the surface so that the crew could monitor the submersible's condition and take action if necessary. Of course, it is impossible to say for sure whether IoT technology would have prevented the loss of contact with the Titan submersible. However, it is clear that IoT technology has the potential to significantly improve safety in underwater exploration.